Hi everyone, today we're going to write with AI and it seems like it's human. We're even going to do the test. So watch the video until the end and I'll show you how. I probably shouldn't, but it's for you. First, let's go to Gravity Write. Link will be in the description, no worries, as always. Then sign up with your Gmail account, it's really easy. Have a look, if you want to write, you have so many options here. Explore them, they're really good. Now you have two options. You can choose to write here in the platform and then choose paraphrase. It's going to sound human. Yes, you heard me right. Or you can have a text from ChatGPT, for example, and then choose paraphrase. You'll get a text that sounds human and it's going to pass the checkers. So let's see how we can do this. Don't worry, I'll leave the link in the description. So what are we going to do? We're going to upload our text and it's going to check for us for plagiarism. Have a look at this result. Wow, right? So now you've learned how to do it. Gravity Write is the tool for you. So if you like these tools that make our lives so much easier and are absolutely brilliant, then all you have to do is check out my other tutorials. I have plenty of them. They're all quick, easy and free for you to try it out. So if you like the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools for you and your project. Bye bye for now.